Hi students, I wanted to make a short video telling you about this grammar assignment that you have here in front of you. Be sure to put aside a fair amount of time, at least an hour, to do all these exercises. The focus is chapter 6, which is on verb forms, gerunds, and infinitives. And I've set this up so that you do your homework and then you can have your book open. But it's set up like a quiz. So, you'll have had to study that information first. Some answers you'll get an automatic response that you got it correct, but others I'm going to have to go in and check so to see what your understanding is. So please do this carefully and let me know if you have any questions. You guys are doing great. All right, thank you.